Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to enable dark mode on Windows 10. Currently I'm running version 1903. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, let's get started. So, we're going to want to hit start. And then we're going to want to hit settings. And from settings, we're going to want to hit personalization. And then from here, you'll see a bunch of different options here. Taskbar, start, fonts, themes, lock screen, colors, background. So here we're going to want to hit colors. And then it says choose your color. And here we're going to want to hit dark. Once you hit dark, this will pop up. So it won't pop up, it'll just change a different color. And then we're going to want to hit X. And then we're going to want to try to get back into it. And there you go. And then we see right here that it is in fact working, which is nice. And I forgot to mention that the reason you would want this is if, the apps are, hurting your eyes, you're tired, and you just want something a little bit more calm for your eyes. And or just want to have a different color than the normal default color. Alright, thanks for watching. This is How To Tech Tips. Don't forget to keep teching on.